Shawty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse.
And yes, do y'all see this beat? This is serious. So if you guys don't get what the theme of this video already is, of course this is a pride theme tutorial, and yes, I had to take it all the way there with the rhinestone. Child, look. Okay. So by the time this video goes up, it's going to be Pride. So happy Pride to all my LGBTQ people. There's so many people in my life that are part of the LGBTQ community, and I love you guys, and without you guys I would be nothing. I love you guys so much, and if you see this video, this is definitely dedicated to you. Love is love. I don't care what anybody says. Nobody should tell you who you can and cannot love in this country. Like, this country is already gone enough. So anyway, this video is in collab with my girl Melanin K here on YouTube. That's my sis. You guys know we really cool like that, and like that's really my makeup sis. Like, I'm at her beauty con, like she's popping. But anywho, if you want to see more on how I get this look, stay tuned. Bye guys, love you. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be swapping back and forth between the BH Cosmetics Modern Matte palette and the Morphe 35B. They're the two palettes I have with the most colors. And for this look, I only use shimmer on my lids. So I'm just taking the colors in there. I'm doing purple, pink, I think red and orange on one eye, and then blue, yellow, green, and another blue on the other eye. So right now, as you guys see, I'm just packing those shades onto my lid, and then I blend out carefully because I don't want to blend them into the colors too much. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, packing them on both eyes. Both eyes, the rainbows are different, so I kept it that way. I got inspired to do this kind of rainbow from Brenda Babe on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel, and I seen a look she did, and I really liked it. It wasn't a pride look, it was just like a colorful eyeshadow look that she had did already, and I like the way she had the rainbow set up, so I just copied off of that basically. So here's where I begin to blend. It's kind of hard when you're not trying to blend the colors into each other, so I have to go back and like individually blend each color just so that each color doesn't get caught in one another. And then as you guys see, sometimes I go in and pat in another color that I feel like might have gotten lost, just so that it stays true to that true pride rainbow. And as you guys know, I'm cutting my crease because I don't have no eye space, and I just really wanted to use this shimmery eyeshadow from the new well, it's not a new palette, but it's new to me. The ABH Subculture palette. They have this shade in there called Electric. I picked up that palette on that day that I did the tutorial, and I'm in love with that shade. It matches perfectly with the Teeny Keeny Island Bling liquid eyeshadow from Fenty Beauty. It is bomb. So after spraying my brush with that Fix Plus Pink Light, I'm dipping into the shade Electric from the Subculture palette. I don't even know how to really explain the shade. Like, it looks like an electric lime shade, but then it has like opal iridescence. It's like really a weird color, but it's so unique and it's so cute. So I had to just use that on my lids because I could not just do any plain old, rainbow look. I got tired of seeing the same stuff. And then I'm topping it off with the Fenty Beauty Island Bling, and that's the opal side, which is teeny keeny. And it just turned out to be so poppin'. Like, it was really the same shade. Like, they really went together perfectly. So y'all know how I'm moving, right? And I'm not supposed to be buying makeup, but I really went to Marshall's and like splurged out. So I seen this ultra fine glitter from Too Faced. It's called the Pure Gold, and it's really ultra fine glitter. And I had to add some glitter in this look. So I just sprinkled a little bit of glitter, and then I placed a little bit of that over the iridescent shades, and it just made it pop even more. Like, I really like this glitter more than the other glitter I have. Maybe because it's ultra fine and it's really, really a true, true, true gold. So here I return with a finished face, and I'm showing the eyes off. This look was perfectly fine by itself, but it's Pride, and I just needed to be extra as can be. So I'm adding more extraness. I'm going to go underneath my eyes with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to basically put those same colors that's in my creases underneath my eyes, starting with the purple, the pink, the red, and the orange, or the orange and the red, I'm sorry, on my one eye, and then I'm going in with the blue, the yellow, the green, and the other blue on the opposite eye. So I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight Palette and using my favorite white highlighter, which is Strobe. I don't even know why I have this palette, because this is really the only highlighter I use out of the entire palette. So after mascara, I'm going in with my Breezy highlighter to highlight my forehead, underneath my brow bone, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And I'm going to highlight with something special on my cheeks. So of course I have to use my rainbow highlighter. This is the Unicorn Glow highlighter from Wet n Wild. I believe it was about $5 when they released it. I have to get it. As you guys know, this is a dupe for the Bitter Lace Beauty rainbow highlighter that went crazy on the internet about a year ago. It literally really is a rainbow on your face. If y'all don't believe it, y'all see it right there. It is a rainbow highlight. It's a true rainbow highlight. So for my lips, I keep it really simple, just nude lips. I've been doing this nude lip look with kind of like a brown lippy and then like a regular like pinkish nude or regular nude in the center, I guess. And then I put a gloss over it. So the gloss that I'll be using today is a gloss I actually picked up at Marshall's. It's the Ariana Grande Viva Glam collection. It was her pink gloss, so it was pretty good over it. It was pretty cute actually. But otherwise, the last time when I did this look, I put Oyster Girl from MAC on there, and it was really, really cute. And y'all already know what time it is. It's time to be extra. So I did get me some colored rhinestones from Walmart. And I'm applying this with the NYX. I end up mixing the NYX glitter primer with just some regular eyelash glue. I can finally put these rhinestones on with no problem because, as you guys can see, I have no nails. So yeah, it works out perfectly fine. I just put these on any kind of way. I didn't have a certain design in mind, but I thought it would have been really cute like over the eyebrows, and I end up doing one side under the eyebrows. And then you guys see I stick two little iridescent ones in the center of my eyes. And yeah, like I was in love. So I had to completely start over because that glue was not sticking. So I ended up mixing the NYX glitter primer in the regular lash glue here, and then that's when I began sticking the rhinestones between my eyes. Actually, with this one under my eyes, I was supposed to reverse the colors, but I totally forgot. So I ended up not doing it, and either way, it still turned out bomb.